Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A16 and I will show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll to the home screen and lock screen. Now just scroll a little bit down and here you'll see the wallpaper section tab there, and as can you see you can choose your new wallpaper from your device photos if you get some, download it from the internet for example, or just your previously taken on your device photo, or also we got here the static, the default wallpapers. You can choose one of these wallpapers. For example, I'll go with this one. Just tap here to apply, and we want to change our lock screen wallpaper. Tap here, wait a second, and now we'll just try, we'll check. As can you see, we just successfully change our lock screen wallpaper. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.